How to add extensions in Safari on MacBook. So firstly, open your Safari web browser, and once you are here, you can click on Safari in left upper corner area, and for example, you can click Safari extensions. If this option is not here, open your settings. And now in this menu bar, click on extensions, and you can browse extensions or manage extensions here. So if you click on browse extensions, it will open you the App Store, and here you can scroll down and find some extensions. So for example, Adblock for Safari, you can download it and wait until it's downloaded. Now the extension was installed and it will appear here on the left. If you want to turn it on, simply mark this option and enter your Touch ID or your password of the admin, and the extension will be running. So it was that quick. If you want to remove this extension, you can click it, and here is the uninstall option. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.